Hi everyone, my name is Xinchi Chen. Today I'm gonna give you a presentation about San Francisco International Airport Survey data analysis and recommendation. So first, let me give you a context about this project. San Francisco International Airport has flights to points throughout North America and is a major gateway to Europe and Asia. And we also need to know the two objectives for SFO. The first objective is to rank number one on Airport Service Quality Survey. So we need to identify factors causing current ranking of SFO. And the second objective is to be the choice of premium passengers. So we need to identify determinants attracting premium passengers. So to achieve that goal, we first need to analyze 2015 SQ survey data and identify factors affect overall scores and the rank of SFO. How can SAMO improve those factors? And how can SFO attract more premium passengers? What factors influence them to become a premium passenger? And give a suitable improvement plan. And last, we will analyze 2016 SQ survey data to see whether SFO achieved its goal or make progress. So there are three frame questions we asked. The first, what are the factors that consumers are most satisfied and unsatisfied with SFO according to ASQ survey? And the second is to become the choice of premium passengers. What are the differences between regular and premium passengers? How to apply those differences to enhance premium services and acquire new premium passengers? The third is how can we satisfy customers' different needs and provide better service? So these are the results after we analyze the data. The first result is passengers are most satisfied with escalators, elevators, moving walkways, information on screens and monitors, signs and directions inside SFO. And second is passengers are most unsatisfied with Wi-Fi at SFO, artwork and exhibitions, signs and directions on SFO airport roadways. And the third is significant differences between regular and premium passengers. About flying frequency, flying longevity, household income, and miles they fly. And the fourth is premium passengers value rental cleanliness, food, art, and safety the most. And last is there are three main categories demands from passengers: their transportation convenience, airport facilities, and information. So based on these results, the first recommendation we give is to identify the factors which affect the ranking of SFO, both satisfied and unsatisfied, then prioritize them, develop satisfied factors into competitive strategies, and put more efforts on top unsatisfied factors. So to give that recommendation, we analyze the Q7 in the ASQ survey. In this question, customers need to rate the SFO at different aspects. So we first calculate the mean of each aspect and also create a linear regression model to find out the important variables drive people to give the overall rate on SFO. And we found that Wi-Fi at work and science are the three categories that customers are unsatisfied most. So in roadway parts, SFO needs to improve sign getting to or within the rental car area, and the sign get to BART, sign on where checking terminals after exiting BART, and also sign to long-term and short-term parking, and show airways and terminals on highway signs as customers approach airport. And for the Wi-Fi, SFO may want to add plugs, electrical outlets, places to charge devices, improve Wi-Fi connections because Wi-Fi drops too often or is too slow, or there are other technical difficulties with Wi-Fi, and also add USB charging stations. And for the art part, SFO should decorate with brighter colors, where the airport looks too drab, too gray, or tired, and also add more artworks to enhance aesthetic use experience. But there are also some things that SFO did very good, that there are escalators, information, and signs inside SFO. And for the second recommendation we give is to convert regular passengers who share similar features with premium passengers into premium passengers. in order to let SFO become the number one choice for premium passengers. So I think SFO can do an email campaign targeting passengers who fly at least 3 to 6 times in the past 12 months, who have used SFO for more than 15 years, who fly more than 100,000 miles per year, and also whose income is over $150,000. So to give that recommendation, we also analyze a lot of data and use criteria to prove whether there are differences between premium and the regular passengers. And we find out following variables have significant differences between premium and regular passengers. There are how many times flown out of SFO in the past 12 months, how long have you been using SFO, household income, and also fly 100,000 miles or more per year. And the third recommendation we give is to maintain premium passengers and develop them into ambassadors. SFO would like to strengthen the loyalty benefits program to spread the brand image of SFO. So we create a logistic regression model to find out which factors influence passengers to become premium passengers. And we found out that rental cleanliness, food, art, and safe are the features premium passengers value most among the services. And also premium would like to see more changes to enhance their current and future premium benefits experience. So we think the current premium passengers are getting more taste of premium benefits, such as more art decoration for premium waiting area, clearer rental environment, more temptive discount on duty-free and food stores, so they will become the ambassadors of SFO by word of mouth, online review, or incentive referral program. And the first recommendation is provide different strategies on different customer segmentations, cooperate with other industry services to provide more convenient and smooth user experience. SFO following customer segmentation can have like transportation convenience, airport facilities, and also information. So we based on the Q7 and do a factor analysis, find out there are 4 factors according to JUMP, and we'll combine middle 2 groups into one. Then we name 3 categories as transportation, convenience, airport facilities, and information. And we suggest for passengers who pay a lot of attention to the transportation convenience, they can purchase package 1, like adding downtown airport shuttle bus service or rental service with a special discount and coupon. And in the meantime, premium passengers could reserve special parking space. And for the customer who have higher demand on airport facilities, could purchase package 2. Those passengers could enjoy longer high-speed free Wi-Fi period, special coupon on certain food stores and duty-free stores, and also free access to the business center facilities. And for customers who value more on airport information, they could purchase package 3, which provide comprehensive information both online and offline. Free app and online digital guides could get directions and update real-time information. Offline brochure are free provided to implement a better informative experience. So SFO can sell these 3 kinds of service packages on its official website and other third-party agencies by cooperating with other service providers to do affiliate marketing, such as bus carrier, car rental dealers, or food chain stores. So based on these 4 recommendations, our analyze, there's the conclusions we want to give you. So first is upgrade the facilities and services based on passengers' true needs. We identify passengers' most satisfied and unsatisfied factors. And SFO should maintain current competitive advantage on passengers' satisfied aspects and make improvements on passengers' unsatisfied aspects. And for the premium passengers, we identify their pain points and their determinants, so SFO can target on potential premium passengers. And SFO can also provide various service packages to meet passengers' needs by cooperating other service providers. we find that there are three demands among passengers. Survey suggests SFO introduce different service packages on selling, and passengers can purchase interesting plan online. In this way, SFO could provide a more convenient and smoother experience to satisfy current acquired new passengers. So that's all for today's presentation. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions?